Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Bamboo chicken is prepared by stuffing well-marinated chicken pieces or flavored rice into bamboo stems and cooked on charcoal fire. Rampachodavaram is a town in East Godavari District of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a place to visit for true nature lovers and to experience tribal lifestyle and food. Rampachodavaram and Maredumilli attracts many tourists only because of bamboo chicken and the beautiful waterfalls. The tribals collect the bamboos from nearby forest area. No oil is used in the preparation of the bamboo chicken or bamboo chicken biryani. The chicken gets cooked with the moisture inside the bamboo itself. In today's video, let us know more details on how the bamboo chicken and bamboo chicken biryani are prepared by the local tribe whose name is Lakshmi. Please take note that the bamboo chicken prepared at remote agency areas has been banned by the forest officials as the locals are felling bamboo trees in an unscientific manner, leading for bamboos to stop growing. Only licensed business is allowed with a fee of 2,500 Indian rupees. Tourists can opt to stay at Vanavihari Eco Tourism Resort at Rampa to experience picturesque spots, waterfalls and ancient temple of Lord Shiva. For more details on bookings, please check the website link in the video's description.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell in order to get all the notifications.